Good morning, everybody. I'm a little sleepy still. Guys, so right now it is 8:09. We slept in a little too late. We were supposed to be at Home Depot at 8, but it's okay. We don't have to be at the job site until 9. We have our helpers getting there, and then we have designers that's gonna get there. I'm starting off with a LaCroix. We have to go buy some stuff. We have to buy some electrical cords, some boxes, some paper, some more bags, stuff like that, because today we're gonna demolish and we're going to throw away all the trash, get ready for the bathroom to get retiled, and then we can move on. I have somebody doing the tile, and then I can move on to painting. We're excited because this is the biggest job that we've had since me and Vanessa opened up the business. But we're on our way. Vanessa is getting her food ready. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you guys saw today, this is what it looks like now. This was the shower before, now it's gonna move here where the tub was. And we got it all gutted out. That's where the vanity goes. Closet now is gonna be from here all the way to here. We gotta do some framing. And we're painting the whole house. All this is getting painted. All this. We're gonna put a barn door here. Barn door is gonna go this way, like that. Then we installed these three pendant lights. We got everything covered because we're gonna paint tomorrow. Turn the lights off. There's the attic. We have to get into the attic to do some electrical. I don't know where to turn it off. Where's the button? Oh. No.
Untagged for free at freebeats.io.
Alright guys, day 2. Vanessa's not here with me today. She something happened with her crown or something like that, something with her tooth that she has to go get checked out because it's starting to hurt. So I just picked up all the material. Holy crap. I'm on my way to the job site. I got a monster with me because I needed it today. Got my monster. I got all the material. We're gonna start the day. Let's go. All right, guys. So I just got to the house. Let me show you guys what we've done so far. So we've painted. We're cutting right now the ceiling to paint the whole ceiling. We've done all this. We've done this. We've done this one. This room is all cut all around the fan. All that. No doors and no trims yet until we paint the ceiling first. And then we done the kitchen. Close the door. So we got, let me show you how the bathroom is going. Beautiful, bro.
vamos a tener abajo. Y es un profesional aquí trabajando, ¿sí o no?
Yes.
¿Cómo va con el bien?
How you doing? Huh? You're so ugly.
No, no puedo dejar esto así de empezado porque después no puedo cliquear bien eso. ¿Ya qué hora tiene que recoger el carro?
Alright guys, we stayed a little late. We just finished painting all the ceilings. We painted the living room. We painted this hallway with the bedroom. We painted the kitchen ceiling. We painted that ceiling. We painted the guest bathroom. I mean the guest bedroom and the guest bathroom. I'm pretty tired. I took off my shirt already because it's all dusty. So, pretty tired. It's like 7. It's almost 7. So then tomorrow we're gonna start painting baseboard, doors, and trims, and then we will go ahead and start painting the walls. The bathroom is coming along already. Let me show you guys what they ended with. That's what they ended with. Looks pretty good. Right there, and then tomorrow they're gonna do a line in the shower and finish the closet. Finish those pieces, and then I can do my closet. I can compound. I did this one today. It's gonna be a wine area. I guess they're gonna put like a wine cooler in here, a built-in whatever vanity I guess or something there, and put a wine cooler. So I had to put some compound on here all around. But yeah, so guys, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you comment down below anything you guys want to see. Make sure if you want me to explain anything that we're doing here, make sure that you guys hit the bell for notifications. That way you guys see when I update when we're all done and I upload the new video. So make sure you guys subscribe. Peace.